In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Pycharm on your system. Pycharm is one of the best IDE for Python. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, where we can write our code and can run our code. We can write Python code in Notepad, but a good IDE is very important for a programmer because IDE gives us code suggestion, auto completion and many things, which save much time of a programmer and makes programmer life a lot easier. So open up your web browser and head over to jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. So this is the official website of JetBrains. Over here mainly we have two versions. One is community version and another one is professional version. Community version is free for anyone. And community version is best when you wanna build only pure Python apps. And professional version is good when you wanna build websites in Django or mobile apps in React Native. You know, Django is one of the best framework of Python for web development and React Native is mobile apps development framework of JavaScript. So if you wanna build websites or mobile apps, then professional version is good for you. But professional version is not free. For professional version you will have to pay. So download this community version because we are gonna work only in Python. So click on this download. I have already downloaded this. Now let me open my downloads folder. When you downloaded Pycharm, then just double click on the Pycharm .exe file. It will open up the installation window. Next. And over here you can set location to your Pycharm where you wanna install your Pycharm. So let me change the location, this PC, and I'm gonna install this in my E drive. And in the E drive, let's make one new folder, IDE. Okay. Next. 64-bit launcher, check this, yes, and next. Install. So it takes a while, depends on your system RAM, processor and hard drive. So we successfully installed Pycharm. And now over here you can see Pycharm community icon on my desktop. So we successfully installed Pycharm community version.